Hi everybody, just doing a 1 month update letting you guys know how much I am loving being natural. I did my big chop on June 29th. Yeah, June 29th. And it's been an entire month. I have noticed tremendous growth. I've done a lot of trial and error with products, and I've discovered that the products that work best for me are Curl Activator Gel, and I'm using the Long 8 brand. And I also use the Eco Styler, the clear, when I want additional hold. I've been watching Rim Blues videos, and I've learned to do some little twists. Yay, Rim Blue, thank you, girl. And I've also picked up a few little hair accessories at my local Family Dollar. They come in 2 packs for like $1. These are the little butterflies, the blue ones. I have the blue ones, the pink ones, all different ones. These are my favorites too, the little flowers, because they're dainty and sweet, but they really have a big impact, just like this. This is actually 2. They're so small. My question, and I always have a question with my video, is I got past the not feeling feminine thing. I'm not wearing makeup, as you can see. But I'm wondering if anyone is having issues with 2 different textures on their hair. The sides and the back of my hair are a tighter coil. I can do my coils, comb twists, everything, and they just stay. But the top of my hair, that's something different. I can do my coils, and it's like they come out no sooner than I put them in. So I'm wondering if anyone else has the same problem, and if you do, could you please leave me a comment or send me an email or text message or whatever, and let me know how you deal with it. And again, I want to thank you guys for all the information that you give me, all the advice, and yay, 1 month natural.